The Surefire Begonia collection has been popular with gardeners and landscapers due to their ability to thrive in a wide range of climates and soils and tolerating both sun and shady conditions. We welcome two new color additions to the Surefire collection, Surefire White and Surefire Cherry Cordial. Both varieties have a vigorous, broadly mounded habit and are easy to grow and care for, and provide low-maintenance color all season without any deadheading for the consumer.